She really changed my life and changed my life around when I first laid my eyes on her.
Well, that was Musa Gori talking about his 17-month-old daughter who was killed in a fire at their home back in January. Well, today Gori went before a judge in Guilford County answering for a charge of involuntary manslaughter in connection to the death of his daughter. The child's mom, Amaya Ray, was also charged with involuntary manslaughter.
Fox 8's Sarah Winkleman was in the courtroom today. Sarah, why were the two charged?
Well, it all stemmed from negligence because the couple allegedly removed the smoke detectors from their home. However, when that was read in court today, you could see Musa Gori shaking his head no. I also spoke with Amaya's mom on the phone, who told me these two did nothing wrong. That smoke detector was broken when they moved in. Two young parents, a 22-year-old dad and an 18-year-old mom, still grieving the loss of their daughter when they're both charged with involuntary manslaughter.
I would ask what the delay in the charge was.
Ray is already out on a $15,000 bond, but Gori had to go before a judge because he already has 4 pending cases in Guilford County.
What concerns the court, the DA's office about Mr. Gori and his bond is that he was out on pretrial release on 4 separate sets of cases, very serious sets of cases.
In 2019, Gori was charged with rape and incest. In 2020, he was charged with larceny, possession of stolen goods, and obtaining property by false pretense. The next year, he was charged with felony breaking and entering and possession of stolen goods. And in 2022, he was charged with felony assault with a deadly weapon.
So the fact that he was out on pretrial release on 4 separate sets of cases when he was charged with this offense, the state has some concern that if he gets back out, we see a pattern here that he's not going to stop committing criminal offenses.
There was a break in this pattern for almost 3 years, right around the time when his daughter was born. The couple told me they moved into their first home together on Pegram Avenue in High Point about a year ago. Shortly afterwards, High Point police were called to their home for a domestic violence call where Gori is listed as the victim. Police were never called to the home again until the fire caused from unattended cooking, which Gori told me in January he didn't know about.
We all were passed out at the time of the fire. I have no recollection of what could have been cooked or what was on the stove to be cooked.
And today in court, Gori was given a $15,000 secured bond. I just checked a few minutes ago. As of this minute, he is still in the jail, but if he does get out, he is not to have any contact with Ray. Now, I spoke with Ray's mom on the phone earlier. She told me they do plan to fight these charges. Ray is due back in court next month. Gori is expected here in May. Live in High Point, Sarah Winkleman, Fox 8 News.